Hello friends, Rich Elsasser here, and I'm thrilled to announce that our new ESC Region 13 website has officially launched. It was important to us to redesign our site to match how you use it, since ultimately everything we do is to support you. We ask for your feedback and listen to your needs through months of surveys, usability testing, and analyzing data to find out what works best for you. And we think you're going to like what you see. You told us you wanted a site that was easy to browse and search. So we've integrated content from all corners of our organization into one easy-to-read layout. You will now see the latest and greatest in services, events, and resources with multiple ways to stay updated. We appreciate your contribution into making this site the best it can be for you and for all educators.